I'm going to make a quick YouTube video tutorial to show you how to make some of the information that you need to share with students wherever they are, or maybe you need to share it over and over. This way you can do it efficiently without repeating yourself over and over. The types of videos that are useful, some of the platforms that you can use include PowerPoints with a voiceover, Screencast-O-Matic, where you record your screen, videos made on your Surface Pro, Word, where you use your stylus pen and use Screencast-O-Matic to record it, Zoom meeting that you upload to YouTube, and many more. You can use your camera to record video and upload it to YouTube. You can use your Surface Pro and record video. You could edit in something like Adobe Premiere. You could record on your phone and upload it straight to YouTube, or you can edit in something again like Adobe Premiere. You can use laptop, desktop with a camera, and it's nice to have an external hard drive because a lot of these videos take a lot of memory. So if you're going to record a lot, then external hard drive or an SD card in your camera with plenty of memory. And the nice thing about YouTube is once they're in there, you don't have to keep them on your computer to use up all that space. There are actually apps in YouTube that will work on an Android or an Apple device. So you could do this from a phone if you want to do a quick video for students, or a welcome message or something like that. It might be something just very short, and then you have a link to share on Remind or Google Classroom, wherever you want to share it. Each time you make a video, it does not matter which one of those platforms that I mentioned you use. You can choose whatever you want to. You'll notice up in the right-hand corner, it says Create. You're going to click on this to get started. When you click on it, your video files will open. So if they look like a movie video, then those are files that you will be able to use in YouTube. You'll notice this file does not look like a movie screen. This is a picture, like a flat picture. If I try to upload that to YouTube, I'll get an error message. It's not compatible. I can't use that. So I can click on any of these. It'll populate in the file name, and then I'll click Open, select Files, and it will upload. These will be MP4 files, and always check the file type to make sure that you have the right one. The larger the size of the file, the longer it will take, and this is not a quick process, so you have to be very patient. I took a print screen of what it looks like when it starts to upload. You'll notice that it says at this point it was 2% uploaded, and this will constantly change. My advice is walk away from your computer and give it time to process. Don't sit and wait. It's like watching paint dry. Some things to notice on this page. Once it starts to upload, it's going to ask you for some information. So, title. I named this video Cleansing Face because this is not one that I intended to upload to YouTube. I edited this video into a larger video, so this was for my information only. If I was uploading this to YouTube, I would name it something different, such as how to cleanse the face. The description is what you're going to tell the viewers about your video. So this is the information to tell them what they're going to see and why it's important. The thumbnails, select or upload a picture that shows what is in your video. A good thumbnail stands out and draws viewers' attention. So these can be a shot of something in your video, and these will populate once the video uploads. This will be saved as a draft, and then when you're ready, click Next. Now you have to give it time to finish, and you can see that mine has finished processing. So down here, my thumbnails are populating. Then again, you'll click Next. Now you will select the visibility of your YouTube video. You can decide if you want this to be private, unlisted, or public. If it's private, only you and the people you choose to watch your video can see it. If it's unlisted, anyone with the link can find it. And if it's public, anyone can find it. This is an example of sharing my YouTube video in Google Classroom. This is what it will look like. And once it's in Google Classroom, then I can click Add, and I would add a notes page to go with this. I can decide the point value of this, and this kind of ties everything together. So now we have the YouTube video as an assignment, and now we can grade it in Google Classroom, which will sync with Progress Book. This is what your video will look like as it is creating the video once you've gone through all of these steps. So now that you have watched this tutorial, you can click through the playlist that I have below this video and see some samples of videos that are done using all of these different formats. I hope this helps.